In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales receipt in Intuit Quickbooks. Whether you're just getting started with QuickBooks Online or looking to brush up on your skills, this guide is perfect for managing your sales efficiently and accurately. Let's dive right in. First things first, to access QuickBooks, begin by clicking on the Sign In button. It's typically located in the top right corner of the home page. This step ensures you're logging into your account, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Next, from the available options, choose QuickBooks Online. This selection is crucial as it directs you to the online version of QuickBooks, where we'll perform all the subsequent actions. Once you've selected QuickBooks Online, it's time to enter your credentials. Carefully type in your email and password and then click on Continue to proceed. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, navigate to the New button. This button is a gateway to creating various transaction records, and it's typically located at the top left area of your screen. Upon clicking New, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you need to select Sales Receipt, which is nestled under the Customers section. This action officially begins the process of recording a new sales transaction. Now let's focus on entering the details of the sales receipt, starting with adding the customer information. Select the customer from your list or input new customer details if required. This ensures the receipt is appropriately linked to the individual or business involved. Next, you'll want to set the sales receipt date. Click on the date field and choose the correct date, signifying when the transaction took place. Following the date entry, move on to selecting the payment method. Here you can choose options such as credit card, cash or check depending on how the payment was received. Proper selection aids in keeping your records precise and organized. Don't forget to add the reference number if applicable. This could be an invoice number or any other identifying number that makes tracking and cross-referencing straightforward. The next step involves adding the Deposit To account. This represents the bank account where the payment will be deposited. Choosing the right account is pivotal as it impacts your financial records and reconciliations. Now proceed to input the product or service sold. Select from your predefined list or add a new item to reflect what you sold accurately. After including the product or service, ensure to fill in the amount field. Enter the total amount received for the item or service provided. It's essential for keeping your accounts balanced and reflective of actual sales. Finally, when all the details are correctly entered and reviewed, click Save and Close to finalize the sales receipt. This last step ensures that all the information is securely saved and accessible for future reference. And there you have it, you've successfully created a sales receipt in Intuit QuickBooks. Remember, maintaining accurate and detailed sales records is fundamental to effective financial management. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.